If you're a foodie, then stop letting hiccups steal your bites. Here's what's really going on, and 3 quick fixes you can try now. Hiccups are sudden twitches of your diaphragm. That muscle sits under your lungs. Irritation to the nerves that control it. Eating too fast. Spicy food. Gulping air. A quick temperature change. Quick hacks. Hold your breath 10 to 20 seconds to reset the nerve rhythm. Sip cold water slowly. Drink through a straw. Try a teaspoon of sugar to jolt the vagus nerve. Most hiccups stop on their own. But if they hang around for days, get checked out. That's your hiccup science. Fixed or gone. Try one now.